Pick a starting point, an initial idea, to transform, create, and progress. This is our world, the world of industrial processes. Join us and discover the Lleal method. Located in Granollers, 30 kilometers outside of Barcelona, we can offer you over 40,000 square meters of industrial facilities. These facilities focus on designing and manufacturing industrial process equipment for a wide variety of industries: food, pharmacy, cosmetics, and the chemical industry in general. Everything begins with a need, a goal that our sales team will understand and make its own. Thanks to their expertise and know-how of industry-specific processes and technologies, they will be able to provide you with life-cycle project, custom-made and standard machinery solutions. Solutions come to life in the engineering department. Our engineers design new machines and parts using the latest engineering design software, where they run simulations and calculations for optimal and quick part and machine production. Our test lab, outfitted with the latest instruments, can be used to test and develop new processes before implementation and suggest improvements to current processes. This is all performed working closely with customers, while following their instructions. To help support customer innovation policies, we possess a pilot factory for testing processes and scaling and analyzing projects under development. Projects come to life in our production plant. Our team of highly qualified technicians is certified to work across a vast array of production areas: metalwork, machining, welding, electromechanics, and automation. The entire manufacturing process is perfectly harmonized and performed to the highest levels of quality control in accordance with verification protocols. The Lleal method goes beyond just production. It also continues from equipment installation to startup and keeps on going thanks to tech support 365 days a year to make sure every single process keeps running. This is the method that, after 150 years, has led us to be leaders and partners of domestic and international companies. We know your business, we understand what you want, and always provide answers, because growing together is part of the process. Lleal, by your side every step of the way.